SUVs and CUVs are everywhere now, and your customers think they're great. More space, more comfort, more capability. For many, they're a good buy. But for tire dealers, these vehicles come with their own set of challenges. By the time spring hits and drivers start taking longer trips again, well, a lot of those issues show up right in your bays. Let's talk about why these vehicles are tougher on tires next. SUVs and CUVs simply put more load on their tires than sedans do, even before you factor in passengers, gear, or towing. That extra weight accelerates shoulder wear, stresses the sidewalls, and makes any inflation mistake show up faster. When customers tell you that they just had those tires replaced, it's often the load catching up to them. Then consider higher centers of gravity. These vehicles naturally lean more in corners, which scrubs the outer tread harder. If a customer skips rotations, you'll see uneven wear patterns that show up far earlier than they would on smaller vehicles. Next, those all-wheel drive systems. Many SUVs and CUVs run AWD full-time or on demand. That means mismatched tread depths across the axle can create binding, increasing tire wear and stress drivetrain components. A lot of drivers have no idea this matters, so catching mismatches early can save both the tires and their wallet. Braking load is another factor. SUVs are heavy, and when drivers brake hard, especially on worn suspension components, it shows up as cupping or diagonal wear. A quick suspension check helps confirm whether the tire is telling the truth. When you point out how load, rotation habits, and AWD systems impact tire life, customers better understand why maintenance schedules matter. That turns spring inspections into real opportunities and helps your team build trust with every SUV and CUV that rolls in. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm David Sickles, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.